This is a Nutone Slimline. It's a 52-inch fan, 52-inch motor. Currently I have a set of 48-inch Proline blades attached to it. Ball socket, the motor is cast aluminum. Apparently a friend of mine found this in the trash. Let's see what it does. We're going to start, and the pull chain's kind of messed up. It was replaced and the speeds are out of place, but we're going to start it on low. The fan has bearing noise. Has crap in the bearings or something. This is what it's doing on low. You can hear it hissing. Let's go to medium. Now, 52-inch Slimlines are known to be underpowered. And I'm pretty sure that's the case with this one, although this one has shorter, lighter metal blades. Seems to actually get it up to speed, since the speed it's running at now is about the normal high speed of which it would have with the 52-inch blades. But now we're going to high. As you can see, it flies on high. Far faster than it is with 52-inch blades. Now we're going to turn it off. The speed sequence with this pull chain is medium, low, high. Slightly annoying, but at least it works. As you can see, it stops very quickly.